Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on battery saving in your Samsung Galaxy A06. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A06 and you are wondering how to turn on battery saving. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy A06 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something say battery. From here, if you decide to turn on battery saving, you can simply turn on this power saving. So from now you can see I had successfully turned on battery saving in my Samsung Galaxy A06. If you decide to turn off power saving, you need to go again in your Samsung Galaxy A06 settings section, battery, and you can easily turn this off. Also, there is another quick shortcut way to turn on or off battery saving. For that, you need to swipe down just like this and then you will see here something say power saving. So from now you can see I had turned on power saving. Also in this status bar there is a showing that I have turned on power saving. If you decide to turn off, you can simply turn this off. So within this simple way you can easily turn on or off power saving in your Samsung Galaxy A06. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.